How to send a snap to everyone at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can send a snap to everyone at once, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a snap to everyone at once, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Normally what happens is that whenever you take a normal snap here and then let's say that you want to send it to your friends, you tap the next option and then you just happen to select all these people by default one by one like this, right? But what if you want to send to all of them at once? Well, it's again very simple. Tap the next option. Now I'm just going to uncheck these people just to show it to you guys. What I'm going to do is we have to create a new shortcut. So you can just tap the plus icon here, or what you can also do is you can just tap this little plus icon here where you'll be able to edit shortcuts, right? I've already created some shortcuts before, so it is this plus icon over here. So tap a new shortcut. And then I'm just going to name this shortcut, let's say a demo shortcut or whatever. Now just make sure to add the friends to this shortcut, so you can select all of the friends if next time you want to send to all of these at once. So once I select all these people, just tap on create shortcut. Now I can also choose an emoji for this shortcut so that I can just recognize them later. Once I've done this, what I'm going to do is you can see over here. So now I'll just tap the create shortcut option. So as you can see, the shortcut has been successfully created. Now what happens is that next time whenever I take a particular snap, I want to send to all these people at once, tap next option and then just tap this little plus icon here, select the shortcut that you created, and once done, all the people are going to get selected by default, whoever you added to the shortcut, and then tap the save option and then all the snaps will get sent to them at once. So the thing is that you have to create a shortcut and then after that you can send them. This way you can send a snap to everyone at once. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.